I have got a yellow Renault 5 and I decided to buy one of the pop shifters to get even more colour into the cabin. The new shifter comes in a small box. I thought it would be a cheap bit of plastic that slides onto the shifter, but it's a bit more substantial than that, and it feels pretty solid and pretty well made, and it has the important 5 logo in yellow. One very important tip: do not throw away the box. You can just about see at the bottom of the box a bit of metal. This looks to me like a sim removal tool, which you will need to remove the old shifter by pushing it through this hole in the shifter that is already in your car. Moving to my car, I first of all found the hole in the shifter. It's then just a simple case of using the tool to release the old shifter. You will feel and hear a distinctive click when you have pushed the tool in far enough. You can then just slide the old shifter off. And then you just slide the new shifter on. Again, there is a distinctive click when you have pushed it on far enough. And this will ensure that the new shifter will not fall off while you are driving.